Kingston, Jamaica, a policeman and a woman were yesterday charged in relation to the murder of a man, whose burnt remains were found on Rousseau Road in Kingston last year. Charged are 30-year-old Junior Hayles, a police constable assigned to the Kingston East Division, and 34-year-old Nicola Montaque, a beauty therapist of Daytona in Portmore, Scen Catherine. Hayles was charged with murder and Montaque was charged with conspiracy to murder. The Denham Town police reported that on July 21 last year residents observed tyres burning behind a church and summoned the fire brigade about 7:30 p.m. The firemen summoned the police after they discovered burnt remains during cooling down operations. According to reports from the constabulary's Corporate Communications Unit, CCU, post-mortem examinations revealed that the man died from gunshot wound to the head. DNA later confirmed the identity of the deceased as 33-year-old Vince Walcott, otherwise called Stephen Chambers, of Mount Royal Estate, Bridgeport. Scen Catherine CCU said that following investigations, the case file, which included a range of forensic evidence, was submitted to the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution, DPP, for a ruling. The DPP subsequently ruled that both individuals who were identified as suspects during the investigations be charged. Their court date will be announced later.